Welcome to my page and you're welcome to Blissful Life. My name is Priska. Today we'll be talking about causes of infertility in men. So, yes, infertility in a man arises as a result of any condition that affects sperm production, any condition that affects the man's testes or testicles. All right. So in this video, we're going to briefly talk about let's quickly talk about the causes of infertility in men. There are men who are at a higher risk of having infertility than others. The first, number one, is obesity. When a man is obese, it can affect his fertility. It can cause a man to be infertile. Number two is a condition called azoospermia. It is a condition in which a man do not produce sperm cells. There is no sperm cells in whatever the man is ejaculating. Number three is called oligospermia. This is a condition in which a man produces low or poor quality sperm, and this can lead to, it can cause infertility. It can cause infertility. Number four is cancer treatments. When a man is undergoing some chemotherapy, radiation, or a condition, or the man has cancer that made them to take out one or two of his testes, this can lead to infertility in the man. Number five is undescended testes. I keep on shouting this thing. Undescended testes. If undescended testes is not detected on time, it can lead to infertility in a man. The next one is hormonal imbalance or hormonal disorders. When there is problem with a man's hypothalamus or pituitary glands, it can affect his fertility. Okay. Another one is substance abuse. A man that smokes heavily, drinks heavily, abuses alcohol can lead to infertility. All right. Again, conditions like diabetes, sexually transmitted infections can cause infertility in a man. Also, some medications and some supplements that a man take unknowingly or knowingly can cause infertility. So that is why if you want to take any medication or supplement, you have to ask thorough questions about whatever it is you're taking. And then also there's another condition called varicocele. This is a condition in which the vein in a man's testes is larger than normal, thereby causing the testes to overheat, and this can reduce his fertility. This can cause infertility, and this can change the shape of the sperm or reduce the sperm in number. Also, there is a condition called malformed sperm. This is a condition in which a man's sperm is malformed, because for a man to get a woman pregnant, the sperm has to be healthy, all right, and it has to be well formed. But in a situation whereby it is not well formed, it can lead to infertility to the testes. When there is trauma to the testes, for example, during martial arts, you are learning how to do taekwondo. During martial arts, horse riding and cycling, this can cause trauma to the testes. So when a man has fertility issues, he should meet a urologist, because it is a urologist that handles everything that has to do with a man's reproductive organs. So when you meet the urologist with these issues, if you have not been able to impregnate a woman after 12 months of having regular and unprotected sexual intercourse, then it's something to be worried about. You meet a urologist, you tell them the problems. So the first thing they have to do is to run some tests on you, do some blood tests, do some semen analysis on you to know whether you've got healthy sperm, to know whether to know the amount of sperm you've got, the color, the consistency, the makeup. They have to check everything and to be sure or to know how to help you out. And for the treatment of infertility, it depends on what is causing it, right? So if it's because of unhealthy habits of drinking, smoking, drug abuse, you have to stop it. You have to stop it. okay, and as a result of low sperm count, or if it has to do with sperm, you will be put on hormone treatments, and this can help to increase the level of again, if there is a problem that has to do with blocked testes, or there is anything that's blocked in your reproductive organs, surgery has to be carried out. For example, in undescended testes, surgery has to be carried out to correct such problems as well. Although I know that this is general knowledge, but if you're happy with this video and if you feel you've learned one or two, please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.